Some people have viewed Bitcoin as a protection against inflation. However, it doesn't always behave in that way. As cryptocurrencies' notoriety and investor interest continue to climb, all eyes are on their ups and downs. Although cryptocurrencies are more erratic than stocks, this isn't always a bad thing. Massive price swings have become a hallmark of the asset class in the little more than 10 years that the crypto market has existed. Without making a direct investment in a specific currency or token, there are alternatives to access the hot investment opportunity. We have picked for you the 4 best Bitcoin stocks to invest in and 1 bonus stock. So make sure you watch this video till the end. MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is a data analytics firm, but given its increasing allocation to crypto leader Bitcoin, investors may think of it as a proxy for Bitcoin. MSTR was the first publicly traded company to invest significant treasury assets in Bitcoin, and it holds more than 129,000 coins and counting, worth about $5 billion at a Bitcoin valuation of $40,000. It sees Bitcoin as a store of value or a place to hold money in an asset that preserves its value over time. MicroStrategy hosted an event in January called Bitcoin for Corporations to discuss the benefits of incorporating Bitcoin into corporate initiatives. CEO Michael Saylor, an outspoken proponent of Bitcoin, was a keynote speaker at the event. Tesla, a pioneer in electric vehicles, is a different publicly traded company that may be seen as a Bitcoin investment. Tesla retains a sizable portion of the digital asset on its financial sheet, demonstrating its confidence in its potential. The value of Tesla's Bitcoin holdings exceeds $1 billion. Despite the fact that customers cannot yet use Doge to purchase Tesla vehicles, Tesla also accepts the meme coin Dogecoin as payment for various items on its website. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and the richest man in the world, is a fervent advocate for cryptocurrencies. He personally holds Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ether. For the typical investor, investing in Tesla shares can be a method to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies without actually acquiring any of them. Block operates a series of companies, referred to as the company's building blocks, with the goal of empowering its consumers economically. That includes Tidal, global music and entertainment platform, Square, which aids businesses in accepting quick and secure payments through Cash App, a mobile payment service that enables users to transfer money, Spiral, a segment focused on open-source Bitcoin projects, and TBD, a decentralized peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange. Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Block, is a Bitcoin bull and considers it to be the digital money of the internet. By investing in Block, investors may put their money in a business whose management is committed to advancing the cryptocurrency industry. Block produced a $4.4 billion gross profit for the entire year 2021, an increase of 62% over the previous year. Coinbase Global. Users can purchase, trade, and store their cryptocurrencies on the platform of Coinbase, one of the most well-known cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. The company's goal is to get more people involved in the cryptocurrency market, and its clients include everyone from small-time investors to institutions, family offices, and corporations. This cryptocurrency exchange has over 89 million users spread over more than 100 nations. The business is concentrating on expanding its digital offerings and has invested in several cryptocurrency projects, including Compound, BlockFi, Etherscan, and others aimed at building an open financial system using digital assets. Since the popularity and development of cryptocurrencies are still in their infancy, Coinbase may prove to be a wise long-term investment as the industry expands. And as promised, the bonus stock is Silvergate Capital Stock, the holding company for Silvergate Bank, which offers financial services for virtual currencies in an effort to keep up with the 24-hour pace of cryptocurrency trading, is Silvergate Capital. A 55 composite rating and a 97 EPS rating are assigned to Silvergate. Along with providing conventional commercial and residential lending services, Silvergate also operates an exchange network that enables institutional investors and digital currency users to instantly transmit money to the accounts of other Silvergate users. The network is utilized for Bitcoin settlements, and its customers in the cryptocurrency space include institutional investors and cryptocurrency exchanges. Using Bitcoin as collateral, customers of digital currency exchange Silvergate can borrow money from a bank to acquire Bitcoin. This year, Silvergate intends to introduce a stablecoin. This is all from us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.